Hello, my name is Daryl Chappelle. I'm a meat manager for Stater Brothers Markets. Been with the company for 32 years. I'm a certified meat cutter, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a crown rib roast for the holiday season. This is a USDA choice whole rib roast. I'm first going to begin removing the meat off of the bone. Now that I have removed the bone off of the roast, I'm going to prepare the center of the roast by cutting it and tying the two halves together. Now that the roast is tied together and the center of the roast is prepared, I'm going to reattach the ribs around the roast to make the crown. So now that the ribs are reattached around the roast, I'm going to be cutting the meat between each bone to make the roast look like a crown. Now that the roast is complete, it's time to season your roast. Today I'll be using prime rib seasoning from Amazing Taste. To apply, you want to sprinkle generously along the top, the sides, and on the bottom. And don't forget between the bones. So today I showed you step by step how to prepare and season a crown rib roast. This can be done at any of your local Stater Brothers markets by a certified meat cutter. So thank you for watching and happy holidays from Stater Brothers Market.